Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you already signed into your account. Make sure you're logged in or some steps may not work as expected. So, you're having trouble with the Shein app? Whether you're having issues with loading product pages, missing order details or payment errors, follow these steps to get things working again. The first step is to restart the app. Just like that. If it didn't help you, try to check permissions. Just like that, and back to Shein. The next step is to reinstall the app. Let's go to the Play Store, Shein, uninstall, and install it again. Let's open it. And if this even if this step didn't help you, try to check for global service issues. How to check it? Let's go to Google, type down detector, going to verify us. Okay, and let's look for Shein. Okay, so as you can see, there's no any drop downs here, so this might not be the server problem. So the last two things you can do is to check your Wi-Fi connection, and if it's good, try to restart your phone, and this will help you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.